Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2018 Galeon 640 Fly named Vicky's Choice. Starting at the swim platform, hydraulic, deploys down into the water, nice stairs deploy, easy to get in and out, especially if you have some pets or small kids. One of the first things you're going to notice about this 640 Fly is the amount of indoor-outdoor space. When you put both balconies down on either side, open up the glass doors all the way forward through the walkthrough, it really gets the sense of indoor-outdoor space. It really doesn't matter. With the galley up and aft, you'll notice it really is still a part of the party, especially when you have all the glass open around you. Full-size refrigerator with a freezer, television that comes out of the stand here, large U-shaped, full-size sink, burner, microwave, really everything you need. Main salon, again, lots of light, a lot of space. Current configuration, we have the 2 footstools, but you do also have the option to have a very large dining room table here. So if you want to move the party from the outside inside, you can certainly do that. Again, television screen comes up. Great place to watch a movie while you're getting that afternoon sun. So at the helm of this 640, 2 large helm seats, fully adjustable, footrest, armrest, really any configuration you need, you're going to be able to get. Full electronics package, nice Raymarine touchscreens, autopilot, radar, GPS. Of course, it has a seakeeper on it, bow and stern thruster. To make docking a little bit easier, this vessel is equipped with the remote control. You can run the joysticks and the motors from it. Yacht controller, great feature, really makes docking easy from anywhere on the boat. Bow access to the 640 is absolutely unique and one of a kind. Center walkthrough right up to the bow gives you great access in and out. Again, really going with that inside-outside space and a place to entertain. When it's time to retire and head down to the staterooms, this boat has 3 stateroom in a 3-head configuration. 2 different entrances, one forward to the forward stateroom, one midship to the full beam master, and the one just forward of that. Forward stateroom, lots of light throughout. Overhead sunroof, windows on either side, opening port lights of course. Forward stateroom is a full ensuite, so there's a separate head, separate shower stall, closes off from all the other space, really kind of your private oasis in the front of the boat. The forward head on this boat, lots of room. Overhead gets some extra light, again separate shower stall, lots of room, big vessel sink, great storage. Third stateroom, full beam stateroom. Bunks on either side, lots of storage. Does have access to the 3rd head, as well as a great spot to set up shop if you need to get a little bit of work done. The aft stateroom, certainly a great place to be. Lots of light from the windows on either side. Full king-size bed, walk around, easy to get around, easy to make in the morning, easy to access from either side. Lots of storage. You have your own little settee, entertainment space, and access to your own private head. Aft stateroom head, large shower stall. Again, a nice vessel sink. Lots of light with an opening port light. So with this being the Flybridge model, great access to the bridge. Stairs going up, handrails on either side. Going back to a great boat to entertain on, the bridge is no exception. Full wet bar upside, so again you're going to have a refrigerator, ice maker, storage, grill cooktop, really everything you want to keep your guests entertained. Upper helm has all the functionality of the lower helm. Same Raymarine screens, oval display, bow and stern thruster control. Again, everything you need, including the seakeeper. Great addition though is the visibility. You can absolutely see everything you need and then some from the top of the boat. Vicky's Choice, 2018 Galeon 640 Fly. Stop on in. We'd love to answer some more questions about the boat. Please follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.